Brigit can show multiple accounts when your bank connections or account information are not matching what you currently use, and the fix starts by reviewing your linked accounts. By the end, you'll know how to check connected accounts in Brigit, remove outdated connections, and what to do if the wrong account keeps appearing. Start by opening Brigit and reviewing the account information connected to your profile. Look for accounts that you recognize and compare them with the bank accounts you currently use. This helps you identify whether the extra account is an old connection, a duplicate, or the account you actually need. If you find an account you no longer use, check the account management settings for an option to disconnect or update that connection. Removing outdated information can help keep your Brigit profile organized and prevent confusion when using features connected to your bank account. If the account you want is missing, update the bank connection linked to Brigit. Reconnecting your financial institution can refresh the account information available inside the app. But follow the prompts carefully and make sure you sign in with the correct banking details. Another common issue is using a different Brigit login than the one originally connected to your bank account. Check that you are signed into the correct Brigit profile before making changes. The wrong login can make your account information appear different from what you expect. If you recently switched banks, keep the new account connected before removing the old one. This helps make sure Brigit has access to the account information you actually want to use. If you still see duplicate or incorrect accounts after updating everything, contact Brigit support through the available help options in the app. Explain exactly what appears on your screen, which account should be used, and what changes you already tried. The key points are simple. Review your connected accounts, remove or update outdated bank connections, and confirm you are using the correct Brigit login. Your next step is to open Brigit, check your account connections, and update any information that does not match your current banking setup. If this guide helped you fix your Brigit account issue, subscribe for more step-by-step app fixes and personal finance guides.